YouTube, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another QubitTech video. Today is a very important day, and I am extremely excited to share with you the new results of QubitTech. I hope you're ready. Let's hop into it. So I'm sitting here on the QubitTech homepage, and if we scroll down here, let's see. Website looking beautiful as always. We have our products, corporate licenses, and trading robots. Now that's awesome. They have a lot of different avenues of success in this platform, but the main thing that I want to talk about today is the affiliates. I'm going to take you to my back office, and you will see that today we have $350 to withdraw. Now this number is never that high for me, but today is a special day. Let's go to my network and I will show you something amazing. Right here you will see that little purple bar for the binary bonus. That I've never seen before. This I've never seen before. And this I've never seen before. So as you can see, we are very, very close to ranking up. I'm rank 0 right now, on my way to rank 1. I need to share the leg 2, which in this case is the left leg, only 250 points more to rank up. You can see I have 5,500 points here, and I only need 1,000. And I have 5,000 here, and I only need 2,500. So I'm good there. I just need to get my weaker leg, which is the one they pay you on, up a little bit higher. So you can see here, received binary bonus and received direct bonus. So I'm going to start with the received direct bonus. So you can see that I have $330. And that is because if we go back to the main panel, which actually used to say my wallet and they changed it, so I like the main panel better. And if you click on the package that I have, it's 1,000, and the direct bonus you will receive is 6% on the first line and 3% on the second line. So somebody used my link and deposited into their account, and I received 6% of that, which happened to be $300. Now, if they were to refer somebody, which I recommend you do strongly, you can see the results and how amazing they are here in this video. If they refer somebody, I will get 3% of what that person puts in. Now, you can see if you move up in the color of your package, bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, that changes. And even the binary bonus does too. But you can see silver is 6 and 3. Gold is 7, 3, and 1. So you get an extra line of direct bonus. And the platinum's even better with 8, 4, 2, and 1, giving you an additional line. So silver is 6 and 3, which is great. And this said $300 yesterday. So I log on this morning, thinking it would just be a mere another $5 to $10 with the daily report. Today wasn't the best, so I only received, if you come down to reward history, I got $5.07. But you see, it's an extra $45 other than $5. So that $45, if we go back to my network, came from the binary bonus. So I'm going to attempt to explain the binary bonus. You can see here's the 45 USDT. Every day, here's your binary points. You can see my right leg is a lot stronger because I'm using somebody else's link. So this will reset every day. So when somebody deposits into your link, that means that this binary points will go up and you receive a certain percentage. If you go back to main panel, you'll see that for the silver package that I'm in, the binary bonus is 9%. So yesterday, my binary points said $500, or 500 points rather. So 9% of 500 is the $45 that I received. So it paid me out the next day on that. And you can only earn the amount of binary points up to the amount that you have in the platform, which is aka your package value. So I'm in the silver package, so it's only $1,000. So I can only receive $1,000 within this period. So the period ends on November 23rd, and currently it's November 18th. So it started 2 days ago. So you can see this bar will move up to 25, 50, 75, and 100% based on where I'm at in the binary points. So this is now 0, and I'm sure you guys are wondering why. So this resets every day. If someone were to deposit, let's say $1,000 total, that could be split amongst several people. So let's say 2 people do $500. On that day, I'm going to get 9% of the 1,000 because it will say 1,000 binary points. Now, You see here it says 354,800 points. They don't pay you on your heavy leg. So they pay you on your weaker leg, which is good so that you share and you're motivated to share your link. I cannot tell you guys how much success that I found from sharing my link just to a few people. You know who you are who've used my link, and I thank you guys so much. Now I invite you to go share your link even more because you're getting the spillover from me, from everybody else who uses my link, and you will be getting the bonuses that I'm talking about in today's video from you sharing your link. So now that we've gone over the direct bonus and the binary bonus, I will attempt to explain the matching bonus and the rank bonus. So for the matching bonus right here, I do not actually have current access to the matching bonus, and that is because I am still rank 0. Now, if I were to rank up to rank 1, I would get a certain percentage of the amount of money that people put in using my link. So if we go over to the QubitTech homepage, you can see the rank bonuses and matching bonuses. You have to be rank 1 to receive 5% of line 1. So that means one person, if they use your link, you will get 5% of whatever they put in. When you rank up to rank 2, you will get 2 lines. So when you have someone sign up under your link, you will receive 5% of what the person that used your link put in. And if they refer someone, you will also receive 5% of what they put in. So as you can see, as you go through the ranks, the matching bonus gets better and better. But when you're still rank 0, you do not have access to the matching bonus. You guys can definitely come check out this chart. All you need to do is go to the QubitTech homepage. Let's click here. You're going to scroll down to these little revolving banners here and find Quick Start Bonus. Click on that. It will bring you to the entire page of the affiliate program, and it will tell you everything you need to know about the Quick Start Bonus, the direct bonus, the binary bonus, the matching bonus, and the rank bonus. So I'm sure you can see that there is a lot of things you can do with the affiliate program to make tons of ROI on your original digital license. So now that I've gone through the direct bonus, the binary bonus, and the matching bonus, that moves us to the ranks and rank bonuses. As you can see here, rank achievement conditions. When you rank up to rank 1, you'll receive $100, and you can see that by going up here to look at the reward. Rank 2 is 200 all the way down, and you can see it's not linear, so it goes from 1 to 200 to 500 to 2,000. And additionally, we'll give you extra lines of matching bonus as we discussed before. So if we go back to the rank achievement conditions, you can see the first line, leg 1, and leg 2 USDT volume. So remember this number, 1,000, 2,500, and 750. If we go back to my back office, you can see that 1,000, 2,500, 750 is what I need to rank up to rank 1. So it gives you everything you see here, right here in this table. So rank 1, I'm already past the first line volume, past the leg 1 volume, and I need to share my link on the left leg for leg 2 to get this past 750. So as you rank up, you'll get more rank bonuses, which are all here. You guys can check these out in this table, all the way down. And something also important to note is that you cannot rank up to rank 7 and beyond, up all the way to 12, the ones in purple, unless you have a corporate license activated. It says here, to obtain rank 7 and above, you must have a corporate license activated of 10,000 USDT or more. So that's just another added benefit. And I may do another video going over the corporate licenses because they're pretty cool too. They have houses and cars and devices. So that's really interesting. So if you guys want to check out all the affiliate programs and bonuses that they offer, you can download the presentation here. Go to the QubitTech homepage. Like I said, you can click here or type it in on Google and it'll bring you here. Go to the revolving banners, click Quick Start Bonus. Everything you need to know is here. Now, you can watch a video, and something also important to note is that this is all on top of your digital license that you already own and are getting 250% off of. So 350 out of 1,000 is 35%, and I've received 25% already. So that's 60% ROI on my investment that is supposed to take me 4 months to make back. On top of that, everything after those 4 months or when you hit 100% ROI is pure, free, and clear profit. So I cannot express how important and how amazing it is if you guys go out and share your link. I just actually noticed something very cool. It's a new banner here on the main panel. It says rating top 30 platform affiliates. The top 30 people in the affiliate program are going to receive a special surprise, it says, at the end of 2020. So I'm really excited to find out what that is, and that will surely be motivating to share my link even more. I know there's a couple people that have a ton of people using their link, so they will be pleasantly surprised to receive something special, which is going to be really cool. If you guys want to get involved in QubitTech, make sure to go click the link in the description below. You will not be let down, I promise. It's important to know that you need a VPN if you are in the US or Canada. So just remember that when you're setting up your account, and make sure to share your link. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all your support. Have a good day.